An electron revolves around the nucleus in an orbit of radius 0.5 per angstrom. The frequency of revolution is 6.5 into 10 to the power 15 Hz. Determine the magnetic moment of the electron. Okay, so here radius is equal to 0.54 angstrom. 1 angstrom 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Okay, nothing but 54. So it is 0.2 decimal places removed. So a 2, a 10, so 12. Okay, the frequency is given here, this frequency. And so monochromatic, so magnetic moment of the electron mu m is equal to current into area. So current also written E by T into area pi r square. So again, so 1 by T is equal to 1 by F. Okay, so magnetic moment is equal to this much. So in case of value of pi is 3.14, and this one is the current, means so charge 1.6 10 to the minus 19 coulomb, and so 6.5 into this, and this factor is the frequency. Okay, already written, the frequency is equal to 6.5 Hz. Okay, and so we get 9.52 into 10 to the minus 24 ampere meter square. Okay, once again the question is, an electron revolves around the nucleus in an orbit of radius 0.5 per angstrom. The frequency of revolution is 6.5 10 to the power 15 Hz. Okay, determine the magnetic moment of the electron. Okay, now we have to calculate the mu m, magnetic moment of the electron. The magnetic moment, so first we are given data is radius is given 0.54 angstrom. 1 angstrom 10 to the power 10 meter. So 1 angstrom is nothing but 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Okay, 1 angstrom equal to this. So in case of 0.52, so decimal place removed to and 10 to the power minus 12 meter. Frequency is given here already. The frequency is 6.5 10 to the power 15 Hz. Frequency is given. The magnetic moment of the electron we calculate. So magnetic moment into current into area. Okay, so ampere meter square, that magnetic moment. So I current, area is the circular loop, so pi r square. And so the current also I is equal q by t, so E by t, E means charge by time. So okay, but time is equal to 1 by frequency, so pi e r square. And so this is the value of pi, and this one is the value of charge, this one the radius, sorry, this one is the frequency, and this one the radius. So we get 9.52 into 10 to the power minus 24 ampere meter square. So that means option A is correct. Okay, this question is AIIMS, NEET, AIIIE, IIT question. Okay, please like and subscribe my channel.